flight. I've been away for about 3 hours. I think this is the longest time I've been away from them, like literally in a very long time. I'm with my dogs 24/7. Let's see what's going on. I can hear them. I don't know if you can hear them. I can hear them. Listen to that. Jy daar like Wat het jy daar, meisiekind? Hi. Hallo papa. Hallo papa. Hallo my meisje. Hi. Hallo. O, jy het julle mamma mis. Huh? It's our mama miss Mikey. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello, my chicken. Hi. Hello. Hallo, my Mikey. Hi. Waar gaan jy? Waar gaan jy? Waar gaan jy? Hallo, poppelkind. Hallo.